The process flow of semiconductor industry with AI model with Python diagram illustrates the flow of information, feedback, and materials among various entities and stages within the semiconductor industry. Here is a breakdown of the key components. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AI/ML architect. Components and flow types. 1. Entities, colored circles and rectangles. Each circle or rectangle represents a specific entity or stakeholder involved in the semiconductor industry. The numbers inside the circles/rectangles, such as 17.0, 4.0, 8.0, represent some form of measurement, quantity, or resource level allocated to or generated by that entity. 2. Flow types. Information flow, red arrows shows the movement of information between entities. This is essential for coordination and decision-making across the supply chain. Feedback of information, blue dashed arrows represents the feedback mechanism, where information is returned to prior stages, enabling adjustments and optimizations based on previous actions. Material flow, black arrows indicates the physical transfer of materials from one entity to another, following the production or supply chain sequence. Key entities. Banks. 2.0 This entity provides financial resources or credit to various stages of the industry. Government. 1.0 represents regulatory bodies or government agencies influencing the process. Others. 3.0 Miscellaneous stakeholders, smaller suppliers or service providers. Process flow explanation. 1. Core production units, example entities with values 6.0, 8.0, 12.0, etc. These are central to the manufacturing process of semiconductors. Information and material flow between these units to keep the production line efficient. 2. Feedback mechanisms. Various entities send feedback to each other, blue dashed lines, allowing for error correction, quality control, and optimization in real time or over time. 3. Information exchange. Critical information, example demand, specifications, flows, red arrows, across entities, ensuring that each stage is well informed and aligned with overall production and market requirements. 4. Material flow pathways. The black arrows represent the actual movement of physical goods or materials through the production stages, from initial stages to final production or distribution. 5. Supporting entities. Financial support from banks, regulatory input from the government, and other support entities contribute to the flow process, ensuring that resources and policies are in place to facilitate efficient production. This AI model would use Python to analyze, predict, and optimize each of these flows, potentially improving efficiency, reducing delays, and optimizing resource allocation across the semiconductor manufacturing process. The diagram also illustrates the process flow of the semiconductor industry integrated with an AI model to optimize and automate various industry processes. Each entity, represented by colored circles and rectangles, plays a specific role in the semiconductor production ecosystem. The flow of information, feedback, and materials is depicted through distinct arrow types and colors. Key components. 1. Core entities. Each circle represents a primary process or entity in the semiconductor supply chain, such as 17.0, top left represents the supply chain management entity responsible for sourcing raw materials. 5.0, 6.0, 9.0, 14.0, etc. These entities represent different stages in production or processing, with each number denoting a process or department. For example, 6.0 represents a manufacturing unit. 8.0 signifies a quality control step. 12.0 denote assembly or packaging. 2. Supporting entities. Bank. 2.0 manages financial transactions and funding necessary for the semiconductor operations. Government. 1.0 indicates regulatory compliance and interactions with governmental bodies. Others. 3.0 could include external stakeholders or minor partners that have limited interaction with the production chain. 3. Material flow, black arrows. Black arrows indicate the movement of physical materials, example silicon wafers, components, between departments. This shows how raw materials and semi-finished goods move through the production stages. For instance, raw materials flow from 17.0 to 14.0 for initial processing and then move on to 9.0 for further refinement. For information flow, red arrows. Red arrows represent information flow between entities, such as sharing production plans, updates, or inventory statuses. Information flows from departments like bank, 2.0, and government, 1.0, to production units to ensure they're informed of financial resources, regulations, or compliance requirements. The interconnected lines among core production units show that these entities continually exchange information to align production stages and meet demand forecasts. 5. Feedback of information, blue dashed arrows. Blue dashed arrows represent feedback loops where information is sent back to a previous stage. This feedback can be used for quality control, process optimization, or updating production based on AI insights. Feedback flows from stages like 8.0, QC, back to manufacturing units, example 6.0, for adjustments based on inspection results, thus improving quality and reducing waste. AI model integration. The AI model in this process helps optimize various flows. Predictive analysis. By analyzing production data and external factors, the AI model forecasts demand, manages inventory levels, and enhances resource allocation. Quality control. AI monitors feedback from the QC stage to identify defects early, improving yields and reducing costs. Supply chain efficiency. AI improves supplier selection and material sourcing, making the supply chain more resilient and cost-effective. Example flow. 1. Raw material acquisition, materials sourced by 17.0, supply chain, move to 6.0, manufacturing, for processing, as shown by the black arrows. 2. Production, information flows between 6.0 and 8.0, QC, to ensure quality standards are met, with feedback loops, blue dashed arrows, for corrective actions. 3. Financial and compliance oversight, bank, 2.0, provides funding details to 14.0 or other units, while government, 1.0, oversees regulatory compliance. Purpose of the flowchart. This flowchart provides a clear view of how materials, information, and feedback move through the semiconductor industry's complex production processes. The integration of AI in the model allows for real-time adjustments, efficiency gains, and better resource management, enabling the semiconductor industry to meet high-quality standards and adjust quickly to market demands. The process flow enhances understanding of interconnected roles and how each stage contributes to the final semiconductor product while maintaining quality and compliance with industry standards. AI and ML offer transformative benefits for decision-making at every level of management in the semiconductor industry. Here's how these technologies can support top management, middle managers, and operational level employees by providing relevant reports, insights, and graphs tailored to each level's needs. 1. Top management, strategic level. For top management, AI/ML provides high-level insights and strategic forecasts, helping them make informed decisions on overall direction, investments, and risk management. AI/ML benefits. Predictive analytics. AI models analyze historical and current market data to forecast trends, revenue growth, demand fluctuations, and supply chain risks. This helps top management plan for market changes and allocate resources effectively. KPI dashboards. Real-time dashboards give a snapshot of performance metrics like production output, cost efficiency, quality compliance, and revenue. AI can identify trends in these metrics, highlight risks, and suggest optimization strategies. Scenario modeling. AI can simulate different strategic scenarios, like entering a new market or changing suppliers, and predict the potential impact on cost, revenue, and risk. Reports and graphs. Financial forecast graphs. AI-powered models create revenue and profitability forecasts, showing potential growth or decline over time with confidence intervals. Risk assessment heat maps. Visualizes risks across different segments of the business, example supply chain, production, regulatory compliance, and highlights areas needing attention. Industry trends and benchmarking. Trend analysis graphs show how the company's performance compares with industry standards, allowing for strategic adjustments. 2. Middle managers, tactical level. Middle managers focus on improving efficiency, resource allocation, and quality. AI/ML tools can offer actionable insights to streamline processes, improve quality, and manage resources more effectively. AI/ML benefits. Quality control insights. AI analyzes data from quality checks to identify patterns in defects, allowing middle managers to adjust processes and reduce waste. Resource optimization. ML algorithms can analyze workforce and machine data to suggest optimal shift allocations, workload distributions, and machine maintenance schedules. Process improvement analytics. By identifying bottlenecks and inefficiencies, AI helps managers improve workflows and reduce downtime. This is particularly useful in semiconductor production, where even minor inefficiencies can be costly. Inventory and supply chain monitoring. AI tracks inventory levels, supplier performance, and lead times, alerting managers to reorder points, delays, or supplier issues. Reports and graphs. Quality trends and defect analysis. Graphs showing defect rates, root causes, and improvement areas over time help managers track quality. Resource utilization graphs. Bar charts or heat maps showing machine and labor utilization rates allow for better planning and allocation of resources. Production efficiency reports. Detailed charts and tables showing production throughput, cycle times, and downtime for each stage of the process. Supply chain dashboards. Track real-time inventory levels, supplier lead times, and logistics performance, with alerts for potential shortages or delays. 3. Operational level, execution level. At the operational level, employees require real-time data and actionable insights to make immediate decisions on production lines and manage day-to-day tasks effectively. AI/ML benefits. Real-time monitoring. AI-powered monitoring provides real-time data on equipment health, process parameters, and quality control, helping operators make quick adjustments to maintain output and reduce downtime. Anomaly detection. AI detects unusual patterns in machine performance, material quality, or environmental factors, example temperature, humidity, that might affect product quality, alerting operators to intervene before issues arise. Maintenance scheduling. Predictive maintenance alerts based on ML models prevent unexpected equipment failures, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. Automated reporting. AI automates report generation for shift performance, output quality, and task completion, reducing administrative work for operators. Reports and graphs. Real-time performance dashboards. Visuals showing machine status, production rates, and quality control metrics allow operators to manage processes in real time. Anomaly alerts. Graphs highlighting deviations from normal parameters, like temperature or vibration anomalies, help operators quickly address issues. Shift output reports. Bar charts or tables detailing the production output, defect rate, and downtime during each shift provide transparency and accountability. Maintenance alerts and logs. Maintenance timelines, machine health indicators, and alerts for upcoming maintenance tasks to avoid sudden breakdowns. Overall benefits of AI-driven reports and graphs in semiconductor industry. Enhanced decision-making. AI synthesizes vast amounts of data into easily understandable visuals, making it easier for all levels of management to make informed decisions quickly. Increased transparency and accountability. Real-time dashboards and alerts improve visibility into each part of the production process, fostering accountability. Improved operational efficiency. AI insights enable proactive management, reducing waste, enhancing quality, and ensuring efficient resource use. Risk management. AI models help in identifying risks early, whether in the supply chain, quality control, or equipment, allowing management to mitigate them proactively. Summary. Top management leverages AI for strategic forecasts and risk assessments. Middle managers use it for tactical improvements in quality and resource allocation, while operational level staff benefit from real-time monitoring and anomaly alerts for day-to-day decision-making. Through targeted reports and graphs, AI ensures each level of management in the semiconductor industry can make informed decisions that enhance efficiency, quality, and profitability. This Sankey diagram illustrates the process flow of the semiconductor industry, showing how materials and processes transition through various stages. Key stages. 1. Supply chain management, red bar. Initiates the flow, representing the sourcing of materials. To manufacturing, green bar. Follows supply chain management, indicating the production phase where raw materials are transformed into semiconductors. 3. Quality control, blue bar. Ensures the produced semiconductors meet the required standards before moving to the next stage. 4. Distribution, pink bar. Involves the logistics of getting the finished products to various destinations. 5. Assembly, red bar. Represents the final assembly of products which can then branch into 2 subflows. Government, cyan bar. Products or materials that go into government-related sectors. Banks, orange bar. Products or materials directed towards financial institutions. Visual flow. The width of each flow indicates the relative importance or volume of materials at each stage. Each stage is interconnected, reflecting the complexity and interdependence of processes in the semiconductor industry. This diagram provides a clear visualization of how different stages in the semiconductor industry are connected, highlighting the flow and allocation of resources across the entire process. Example from the process flow in semiconductor industry. Quality trends and defect analysis. Graphs showing defect rates, root causes, and improvement areas over time help managers track quality. Quality trends and defect analysis. Left graph, defect rate over time. Y-axis, defect rate, %. X-axis, dates. Trend, the defect rate fluctuates over time, starting at around 2.5% in March 2024, peaking at approximately 4.8% in May 2024, dropping to 1.2% in July 2024, rising to 4.2% in September 2024, and forecast, ending at 4.5% in January 2025. Right graph, defect counts by root cause. Y-axis, defect count. X-axis, dates. Categories. Purple, process issue. Green, human error. Red, machine malfunction. Orange, material quality. Trend, the highest defect count is around September 2024, while the lowest is around July 2024. Material quality and machine malfunction are the most frequent root causes, followed by human error and process issues. Summary. The image provides a clear visualization of defect trends and root causes over time, highlighting critical periods for quality control improvement. Peaks in defect rates and counts correspond to certain dates, indicating when and where to focus efforts for better quality management. It's a great way to identify patterns and areas that need attention. Thank you.